All right, y'all, today was that day. Today's the day, August 1st. Hope everyone's having a great August. And I know my August is starting already really good. You see the packaging right here. I told you guys we were gonna go ahead and get them, and we just got them. Came back from a store, and was a very crazy pop-up out there, actually. For these to be in store and all those people were still there is insane. One of those shoes that I never thought I would obtain ever. I've actually obtained them. And Jordan Brand, Undefeated. Let me clap it up. Let me clap it up. I would clap it up actually, but I have it in my hand right now. And the reason why we're clapping up is because today we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 4 in the Undefeated color way. Were you undefeated today, or were you defeated? We have to take a look at these right now. Let's go, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefright. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very, very blessed day. Happy Saturday, everyone. Let me know down below how your Saturday is going. As for me, it's going really, really good. And reason being is because, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title and the video I dropped last, should be 2 hours ago on the Ray Air 4s, you know that today I told you we were going to go ahead and pick them up. And as you can see right here in the stew, we have it. And I'm really excited because this release is one that not only in terms, I guess you could say, the sneaker world, is it a big importance of the sneaker world, but it's just one of those shoes that you never thought you would ever hit on, and I was able to go ahead and hit on. And today, that sneaker that we're taking a look at is the Air Jordan 4 and the collab they did with Undefeated. Now, today is August 1st, and you know, they did go ahead and say that there was raffles that went live last week. But today was the actual pickup date for the in-store, and then I know a lot of people did go ahead and hit online as well. So congrats if you took a W, because the hype on these is definitely there. A lot of people are wanting them, and I got even people messaging me still. You guys are talking about, are you gonna sell your pair? You're gonna sell your pair? I am not. So before we go ahead and take a look at the Undefeated 4, I do wanna give you guys your kudos. I do wanna give you guys your shout outs, because I greatly appreciate all the support that you show over on the channel. I mean, you guys allow me to go ahead and bring these videos for you guys, the support that you give. So I gotta make sure we're taken care of first before anything. Without further ado, let's go. All right, so first and foremost, guys, thank you so much for all the love and the support that you show over on the channel. It's greatly appreciated. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, because this year for 2025, there's back to back bangers, and I do not want you guys to miss a single thing, even when it comes to the long form, the short form. I want you guys to tap in, and the goal this year is 10K, and we are for sure going to hit that goal. So if you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to join the channel. Also, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, comment down below and engage with the channel. I cannot stress this enough. If you engage, you will be getting seen like you see. And it's just a way for me to honestly give back to you guys, because seriously, your guys' support means a lot. I mean, you guys, you make me laugh. I mean, I know sometimes I don't reply back immediately, but I try my hardest to. You guys make me laugh so much. It's just, I love it. I love the engagement, so I gotta go ahead and give it back to you guys. So if you wanna get featured, engage with the channel. Now, with all that said, it is time to look at probably one of the most sought after sneaker there's ever been. Let's go. All right, so as you can see right here, we have the Undefeated bag, and I did go ahead and, like I said, I picked up the Undefeated today, and they went ahead and put it in a nice bag. As you can see, their logo is right there. We're gonna go ahead and take these actually out of the box right here, or the packaging. And when you go ahead and get it, you got your receipt. Now, the way they conducted this raffle, they did it on the EQL raffle, which I know it's like some people's love or hate. But when you went ahead and you got the raffle, they told you there was different times that for different, whatever size you hit at, there was a time that way you pulled up and actually went ahead and got the shoe. And when I got there, It was mad deep. I didn't even, let me show you guys a little small little video or a small little picture right here. It was absolutely insane. A lot of people, and you know, I even had my friend come around, and thank you, my brother, for real, for going ahead and actually driving around so I could go ahead and wait in that line. It was just super, super deep. Now, with that said, I don't want to do too much talking because I'm super excited to see something that honestly I never thought I would obtain. So as you can see right here, when you go ahead and get the Undefeated 4s, it comes in a all gray box. You do have the 25 right there, or excuse me, at 2025, you have Undefeated. Love the presentation of the logo right there. As we go ahead and turn it back around, it kind of, at first, when you look at it, they like put it in like an Air Jordan 14 box, but as you go ahead and turn around, then you start to see more of the details. So let's go ahead and read the side description. Let's go ahead and read Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SB. We have deep green, clementine, black. This is a size 11. I'm so happy and so surprised I even hit on my size. And women, this is a 12.5. And the SKU code on this is read IB1519200. Then you have your Undefeated logo right there, all the size description, and then your price tag of $230. So when you go ahead and turn it around right there, as you can see, size 11. And as far as how these are doing on resale, I'm not entirely too sure. I know people are wanting like 700, 800. I saw someone want 1,000 for it, so kind of crazy. But do make sure if you're gonna be paying those type of prices, you're getting the real thing, because I don't want you guys to go out there and get, you know, these fakes out here, because no, too much money on the line for all that. But let's go ahead and open these things. I already took a little sneak peek of them because I just was super excited, but I didn't see everything. So let's go ahead and open up the box right here. When you open up, you're greeted with a regular lid right there, all white lid. Then you have some nice graphic on it. You have the Jumpman right there, and then you also have the Undefeated textures right there. We're gonna go ahead and pull this thing back right now in. Oh, hold on. There's more stuff. They come with a different card. Ooh, you got a nice little card right there. It says Undefeated, and on the other side you have more of the text. Check that out right there. I think Undefeated did a really great job with this release in terms of getting sure everyone got a pair, because there were a lot of W's out there. But let's go ahead and turn this page right now in 3, 2, and here we go. Right here, guys. Oh my gosh, we have the I laugh because this is one of those things where it's kind of like a dream, but it's actually real. We got the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated for its first ever retro since 2005, back when it was only, I think it was like 72 pairs, if I'm not mistaken. And they weren't even really for the public. This is a first official release, and my goodness, they are so gorgeous. Let me go ahead and actually take out the other one. That way we can take a look at it. And when you do go ahead and grab it, when you get it, it's supposed to be individually wrapped. For this one, I did go ahead and, you know, like I said, I took a little sneak peek of it. But let me go ahead and unwrap this one, and we'll take a look at it right now. Let's go. And boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated things. Like, okay, calm down, kid, calm down. Okay, they're just shoes, but dang, look at them. Oh, this has gotta be, I ain't gonna lie, this is the best sneaker this year for me, for sure. Okay, let's get back on track. When you go ahead and you grab it, the first thing you're gonna go ahead and notice is there is a set of laces in here that you do get the set of orange laces, which we will be swapping these out. I think this is the best one, but you get a pair of orange laces right there, and I'll just drop it real quick. Give me 1 second. And then when you get these laces, just make sure, you know, they look like this, because if they don't, you're gonna be like, what's going on? So let's go ahead and put it back. Staking a look, I think we're gonna take a look at the left one, just because it does have more of, you know, you have the hang tag, you have all of that goodness. So let's put this one back. But starting off right here, we're taking a look at the outsole. So when you look at the outsole, man, so beautiful. You have an all black outsole, right? And then you have a nice bright orange. These are so crispy. My goodness, orange. You got the Nike right there with the swoosh. As you come to the midsole, you have the Air unit right there. And I know it's a little bit hard because of the ring light. Let me try to see if I can like kind of lower it, because I don't want to drown it. Right there, it's a little bit hard to see. But as you see right there, you do have a nice cream midsole right there. As you come up to the front, as you see, you get hit of the panels. You get hit with that nice clementine green, very, very nice. That wonderful olive green, very nice to the touch. As you come up to the front, you get hit of the toe box, and honestly, the quality on this is really nice. You do go ahead and get the cage unit right there. Then you go ahead and get the black laces, which we will swap out with the orange, I promise you. Then you have the tongue right there, which I love that they took the, I guess you could say, creativity also from the Rare Air, because I saw, you know, the Rare Air, I feel like kind of started. They went ahead and gave you a removable patch. Check this out. Listen to this. A little ASMR action. So you can take this patch, you can remove it, and when you get it, it says Jordan Rare Air. We just got done reviewing the Rare Air 4, which is crazy, but this one right here was a super nice touch. Let's go ahead and put this back on. You do have your hang tag right here. I kind of wish they would have went, instead of the plastic, they would have gave us kind of like the metal hang tag. I think it would have been a little bit better, but I'm not complaining. I'm happy to even have these. Then right here, as you come up to the very back, everyone's favorite part of when it comes to any type of Jordan, and you have that Nike Air right there on the booty with that ashiness of that clementine green. Oh, this is just nice. These are just nice. I'm sorry. As you look up right here, you got orange, you have orange, and rather than it saying Air Jordan on the front of it, it does go ahead and say Undefeated. I'm gonna see if you guys can take a good look at that. Undefeated. Oh. I know some of you guys are watching like, what is he's tripping, but man, being a sneaker collector for so long that I have, like, I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful to hit on these, for real. This is one of those shoes that if I would have took an L, I would have paid the ticket. I'm not gonna lie. But when we look inside, you do get the insole. It has orange Nike Air, and then it does go ahead and have more of the orange text right there. Hold on, take a good look at that. I want you guys to go ahead and take a look. Orange right there. Very lovely. Oh my God. This is a good shoe, man. This is a good shoe. This is a good shoe. It's just a very, they executed it perfectly with 2025 already coming out with some great heat. This one making it into this year, they have just been on a roll with releases, and I'm very excited because green is also my favorite color of all time. So no matter what shade of green, I'm really more like crystal bright green, but this one right here, it gives you that nice aged olive look. Nike Air, and in my opinion, these look way better than the Friends and Family. I'm glad that Nike and Jordan brand did that one. Y'all executed it very perfectly. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one right here, and here we go. But when you go ahead and you grab these, this is exactly how it should look. It should come with a set of extra laces, orange, and they come individually wrapped. So make sure they do come individually wrapped. If it doesn't come individually wrapped, just know you probably got God, and I don't want that for you guys. So let me know how you feel about these. I am gonna go and give you guys an on-feet review because I cannot wait to get these on feet. Before we do that though, I'm gonna give you guys a closer perspective here right now. So let's go ahead and check it out. Here we go. So here we go, guys. We got the Air Jordan 4 in the Undefeated colorway. And all I can say is this is a great shoe. This is a great shoe, you know, with the fact that they went ahead and retroed these again, or not really retroed them again, but they finally made it so they released it to the public, is really good. And again, like I saw, a lot of people was able to go ahead and hit on these. So this one for sure is going, for me, I will be wearing this, but these are going to actually be probably in a glass case for me, just because the significance of this shoe and all the hype and demand that's behind this shoe, and just, you know, the collab. It's just, it's rare that we get things like this, to be real with you. The quality on this is amazing. I love it a lot. Let me know what you guys are feeling about the Undefeated 4, guys. All right, guys, so this has been the review of the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. Let me know what you think about it, man. This is solid. I'm sorry, this is a solid. I review a lot of shoes, as you guys know, and I'm excited about every shoe I review, but this one right here just got like me just tingling in a I don't know, different way. This is one of those shoes for sure that I just, like I said, never thought you have, and it's just like, I have it. You know, God is good, for real, seriously. But do let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. Is it a go? Is it your sneaker of the year? I'm not gonna lie, I gotta say it right now, even though we're halfway through the year, I'm still wanting the Gamma 11s. That's my favorite. But these ones right here, in terms of like quality and like just always wanting them, this is definitely hands down the sneaker of the year. And yes, for the record, these are beating brick by bricks. I'm saying it right now. They're beating the brick by bricks. But with all that said, guys, this has been your boys, been your kid. On-feet reviews coming right now. I don't want to take too much of your time. Love you guys so much. There's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. And I will catch you guys in the next video, guys. Love you. Peace.
Oh, Joe, we did it again.